Hello, this was our high voltage welder controller system with TM-4 atoms. This one was our high flux traversing line with the 100 model, red, yellow, and green. Next, this was our 200 model pedestrian traversing line with red and green. Now, our engineer will show you how to vary. At first, this was the full traversing line with the 4-piece wheel, the green, yellow, red, and the public white. I'll show you how to vary. At first, you need to connect with the public light with the N, this place, and the red light, and the yellow light, and the green light. Next, and the pedestrian traversing line with the 3-piece. This one was the public light. I'll show you. At first, you need to connect the public light outside at N, and the pedestrian red light, and the pedestrian the green light. After wiring, you show you whether to connect the wheel. Next, this one was the power supply, the 2 wires, and you need to connect with the natural wire and the leaf wire. At first was the leaf wire, and the second with the natural light. After connect, you need to turn on the switch. Then traversing light can work normally. And you can see interface. You can connect the traversing light with north and south direction in this side, and the west and the east direction in this side. I just show you the sample for 2-seat traversing light. Okay, that's all.